use this LDR to plot the light intensity curve using Arduino. This is a LDR, a light dependent resistance. Its value changes depending on intensity of light. If the light intensity is so high, resistance value decreases. If light intensity is low, resistance value increases. We will use this in our setup. Also, we are using the 10 kilo ohm resistors in this setup.
Taken LDR sensor and I'm placing it on the breadboard. Now I'll take 5 volts from the Arduino and give it to the sensor here. And now I'll take a 10k ohms resistor and connect it to the sensor in series. Now I'll give the resistor's other terminal to the ground. Now I'll take an input for the Arduino from the sensor to A0. This is the circuit. So now this input will convert from analog to digital.
Okay, so with the help of the LDR and Arduino, we can plot a graph between intensity and time. And we can see that it seems to be a sinusoidal wave. And we can also see the value of intensity here. And you can also see that when I am putting my hand on it, it decreases to a value that it was as shown in the figure below. And when I am releasing my hand, it shoots up to its original value. And you can also see that when we apply the flashlight on it, it increases to a more higher value.
So the application of LDR can be used in various grounds. One of the best way it is used is automatic street lights, which glow when the lights are dim around, and it just stops glowing when there is enough light and the intensity of light around is sufficient enough. So I have tried making just the same circuit like this using an LED bulb, a resistor, LDR, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor in series with it. So I am taking the input from the LDR from A0, and then it is converted into digital values, and then if the I have made an if-else condition. If the value of the from the LDR is below 150, then the light should glow, which we are giving as an output to LED bulb, which should glow when the value is less than 150. So let's try this. So while I cover the LDR with my finger, see the values have dropped down below 100, which is below 150, and then we can see that the LED bulb is glowing. And as soon as I release my finger and the intensity of light is quite good enough, around 300, yeah, now it's 200 to 300 something around, yeah, it is fluctuating as the hand of the cameraman moves. Okay, the LED bulb is not glowing, we can see it very clearly. So this is one of the applications. Even this is used in camera exposures, where if the intensity is very less, the camera adjusts the shutter speed by itself, and the intensity increases to make the picture a better clear. So let's try it once again. I covered the LDR with my hand, the values drop down, and the LED bulb is glowing quite good. And while I release, the LED bulb LDR gets quite good intensity of light to sense, and the LED bulb stops glowing. Yeah, this is one of the application we showed it practically. Yeah, thank you.